What are the 5 steps in the global supply chain? Sourcing. This involves identifying and selecting suppliers for procuring goods or services required for the supply chain. Logistics. This step involves planning, managing, and controlling the flow of materials from suppliers to production facilities and, ultimately, to customers. Production. In this step, manufacturing processes transform raw materials into finished products. Distribution. This involves delivering finished products to customers through various channels, such as direct shipping or retail stores. Retail. The final step in the global supply chain is selling products to end consumers through various retail channels, including online and brick-and-mortar stores. As professionals in the supply chain, there's an understanding of the importance of robust quality control mechanisms, especially on a global scale. Their work intersects numerous fields, including business administration and supplier management, requiring a comprehensive understanding and strategic execution of management processes. Meticulous quality control within these processes ensures the seamless flow of goods from suppliers to customers, thereby enhancing the reliability and efficiency of the global supply chain. Don't miss our previous enlightening video, packed with valuable insights about the intricacies of the supply chain.